Day 8.
Osaka.
Osaka day 1, but it's Japan day 8.
Osaka.
Oh shit. Alright, so where are we at right now?
We're in Japan.
Oh
yeah.
no. What do you mean?
The Tokyo Castle right there.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Lost
Alright, look at that shit. It's actually so sick. Just out of nowhere, there's a fucking Starbucks.
Hey, that's not the highlight. Look up.
Huh? Look up. Oh, my bad. There we go.
Tokyo Tower.
Come. Pen up. Oh, grounders.
Oh, let's go.
So many bikes.
Hit the slide.
That's nice.
Shit.
Toto train. Yo, why does the handicap sign look so dank? Is that a handicap sign? That is, right? It looks so dank. Why is there no backrest?
Oh shit, wait.
Look at them dudes buying grapes. These guys actually bought dessert this early in the morning. It's crazy.
New owners.
More.
Yeah? Saw here in Osaka.
Really? Yo, we're in some like weird place. Where is this? What is this, Casper?
In Japan.
Shit.
Production of the hot plating versus the Matsuda.
It's like miniature. Okay. Look, you can see the people up there now. Yo, where we at, bro?
We're in Japan.
Oh shit.
Out here in Japan.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
We're in Thailand.
All this. Yo, this shit goes hard, bro.
Check out the monkeys.
Big wig,
What the fuck? Try to pronounce that.
Naga Fuji line.
Let's see if I can pronounce it. Nagahoitsu Surumio Miryokuchi line. What the fuck kind of line is that? What the hell? Oh shit. Shit, Jode. Oh, we got the same shit.
Let's go, bro.
No, you go last.
It's really mine.
How's it? Okay, how bad can it be, man? It's kind of like the candy.
Yeah, is it Hachu? Is it
It
Hachu?
smells like haichu.
It's Japan anymore. We're going to like.
The ninth realm, Joe. We're going to. There's some Christmas elevator, bro. Yo, LV. Oh, where we at, bro?
We're in Japan.
Oh shit. Some Pokemon Center. Pokemon. Articuno. Show me the shirts. Show me the shirts. Show me the shirts. Okay, Fuku. Okay, let's start with the Oikawa. Oh shit. Yeah, is that okay? Okay, next. We go next. Oh, Fukurodani. Oh shit. Oh shit. It fits. Wait. Oh shit. Okay, next. We go next. This is mine. Fukurodani. Oh shit. Okay. And then show me the Nekoma one. Alright, this one. It's kind of
pretty good, man.
Pretty good. Oh shit.
Wait, no, there's like gold one.
Oh yeah, that one.
Huh?
Look at that. Hinata.
I don't know.
The vlog what we just got. Oh, what is in there? No, you can take it out. Just take it out. Just take one shirt. Just take one shirt. Just for the vlog, you know? Oh shit. That's mine.
It's the haiku shirts.
Oh my god, there's a dub though. That's actually a dub.
We're gonna have matching shirts for those.
Shit.
Kamokura? No?
I swear you said that.
Keep bugging.
I thought we had them before.
Yo, these are people. It's all the stickers.
Oh, it is.
Oh.
Let's go.
Oh my god, more stickers. I'm down to get more stickers though, no cap. No kizzy. No kizzy.
Shoelace.
That's so stupid. Shoelace. Oh shit.
I'm waiting for you.
John, bro.
What is she waiting for? Where did you get this?
Yo, these. No, I got a better one, bro.
Oh, okay, that's not for the vlog, bro. Yo. POV of walking in Shinsaibashi or something.
My POV.
Man. This is my POV and then we'll move to Castle POV.
This is my POV.
My high level.
This is my POV.
Let's go to Casper segment.
Hello, everyone. Oh, we're in Japan.
We are in Japan. We bought so much shit today. It's actually insane. Yo, I don't think they know how to design, man. Like, why is that backwards?
What do you mean what's backwards?
Oh,
Damn.
damn! I don't think they did.
Here's Jerome.
Special segment. Casper special.
He's Brennan.
Oh, what's up, bro?
And here's Brandy.
What are you doing? I do have a $5 coin.
Oh, you need a $5.
You just give me money. Where is it?
Here.
What is this? Show it to me. What the fuck?
I don't know.
What is this?
I don't know. I can't read. This one. There's like three different. They're all different letters, so I don't know.
I fork over hundreds.
Okay, I'll give you $2 and the rest give him $1.
Wait, really? Why?
Because Jerome wants to
Oh,
say
okay.
the
There's
big.
only 4 of us.
Alright, then here. Give me Casper the $1. I'll give you the 5. Sauce this shit over.
Both can go.
Thank you, boss.
Alright, here we go.
I bet.
Pick which one. No, but the. I don't know.
I'm gonna go get that sticker ghost number. Instagram at the sticker store.
I just wonder what it is.
I'm gonna go get it. I'll do it.
Hold on. Guys, trying to figure out what it is.
Oh my god. We're getting scammed. Yo, do we open it at home?
No, open it here.
Alright, Brian, you gotta open it.
What I have to do?
We already spin it.
Casper should do it.
No.
It'd be funny if Casper does it.
No, Casper can do it. Casper can.
Fine.
If his girl watches the vlog, it's too much.
Yeah, I told you that. Singular.
Yo, give that to Enoch. Yeah, just one. We paid $5 for this shit. Casper, I didn't know where Spider-Man. Too far from Japan.
You're too far.
Too far from
Too far
Japan.
from home.
Too far from home. My guy's literally not home. Oh shit. My guy got a fucking chicken too. Too far from home with Spider-Man. Oh, it's the man. It's him. It's the guy. Rico. That's him.
Are we doing the thing?
We're gonna come back in a minute.
Are we gonna do the thing?
Jasper, you gotta yell hello. Hello. Where's the guy? Oh, we passed him. Man, what the fuck is that? Oh, there's no line. Perfect.
Oh, the guy moved.
You think about me now, yeah, all the time, yeah, all the time. I got no time to lose. 내 길었던 하루, 난 보고 싶어. 라따따따 울린 심장. I got nothing to lose. 널 좋아해. anybody 나를 상상했지 항상 다 있던 처음 느낌 그대로 난 기다렸지 all this time.
Oh, they're coming too.
This is Spider-Man far from Japan.
Oh, they're taking pictures.
Oh shit. Look at him, dude.
Nah, there's too many people.
No, you can just go up to him and do the thing.
No, there's too many people watching.
Oh shit.
Last time there was like nobody.
Yo.
Like I was just standing like this.
I didn't know Spider-Man is sponsored by Nike.
Wow, thanks so much, man. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it. My phone. This is not worth a $5 bit.
Oh shit. Patrick Baby.
But you only click one ride.